Hi, today you will find out how to actually start investing and put in order your income and expenses. This is Robocash investment platform and we welcome you on our channel. The total savings of European citizens have increased rapidly over the past few years. Their amount is growing even through the COVID crisis because of underconsumption. People literally have few opportunities to spend their money. Savings are a very important part of a stable future, but you should keep an eye on inflation and make your money work, so it isn't just kept in your bank account, but also brings passive income. Before you actually start investing, it's important to make sure you're ready and safe. Follow these steps to get prepared. Know your expenses. There are a lot of ways to optimize spendings. A fundamental principle of this procedure is to diversify expenses and find out how to spend less. You'll be familiar with all of your costs, which is very important too. Put all of your expenses in one list. You can make it with Excel sheets or use your bank application. Then, divide all your costs into categories: rent, utilities, transportation, groceries, entertainment, etc. If more than 30% of your expenses are non-binding, you should cut this part of spending. After you've analyzed your expenses and decided what expenses can be removed, it's time to optimize your income. You can use the 50 to 30 to 20 rule. Reserve 50% of your income on essentials: rent, utilities, transportation, phone bills, gas, or groceries. The 30% will be for non-essential things, such as clothes, going out, buying new books, and all that gives you joy. And the rest 20% is for paying your debts, if you have them. If you do not, don't be too quick to invest all of this money. First of all, you should make an emergency fund. Investment is not possible without an emergency fund. Before you start investing, deposit an amount of money which is equal to at least threefold of your monthly income to a bank account. It will make you more confident and won't let you sell your assets in case of unexpected expenses, and as a result, you won't lose your future income. Then, explore investment opportunities. You can explore them while saving money for an emergency fund. Buying real estate is one of traditional ways of investing, but it's not fit for everyone because the entry threshold is high. Banks offer you to deposit money and get the interest on the deposit. In most cases, this interest only covers inflation and doesn't generate actual income. But your money is totally safe. We're sure that you have heard about investing in stocks and bonds at least once. When you buy bonds, it means that the state or a company owes you money with interest for a specific period. When buying stocks, you'll literally become one of the owners of the company. There are many assets which have their own specific proportion of risks and returns. For example, you can lend money with interest to people from all over the world. This is another type of investment which is provided by P2P platforms. They are mediators between investors and borrowers. If you are already interested in P2P investment, check the link in info box to learn more about Robocash platform. Using these tips, you can get ready for your first investment. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel to learn more about investment world.